Yeah, so very simple problem. So let's see how do we solve it. Okay, this is a problem statement. So the problem statement I've given an array of inputs. Yeah, so you will have to create a function. Yeah, create a function that takes, okay, input to that function is an array and an element. What is the output? Output, I'm expecting two outputs. One, if this element already exists in this given array, then return a string as duplicate, because this element already exists. So you're trying to add, yeah, so new element. Let us say if this element does not exist, then return me, okay, array, previous array with newly inserted element. So I need an array along with all the elements which were there initially and the element. This is a problem statement. Okay, so let me show you some examples. Let's say I have an array which I'm passing 2, 3, 4, yeah, 7, and I am going to pass an element also along with this array. So let's create that function as add, yeah, somewhat similar to push. So add, here I will say 8. Then the return value should be an array with 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Whereas if in case I am trying to add an element which already exists, so I should not get a new array. Okay, I should not get a new array. Let's say I am trying to add 7 to this existing array. I should get a message saying duplicate. Right? So hope this is clear. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes. Think about the solution. Yeah, I can give you the solution how I will do it. Yeah, or one of the solution how we can do the same. So take a minute, think about it, and give me the solution. All right, so we are done with the, yeah, so we are done with the time. So let me show you how I will implement it. So I'll open an online compiler. This supports many languages. So I'll pick JavaScript because as we are trying to solve this in JavaScript. So I'm going to create a function called add. So as given, I'm going to accept an array and also an element. Yeah. So I can solve, I mean, there are many ways to solve this. So let's say all I now am supposed to do is I have to check if this array includes the given element. So there is one built-in method. That built-in method checks whether this element already exists or not. So if not exists, so this is going to give me a Boolean value, okay, which is true or false. So Accordingly, I have written a condition. If not includes, then I will say, okay, array dot push this new element, and then I am going to return the array. So since the push method doesn't return me the array, instead it returns the total length of the array after adding this element. Yeah, the return value of push is the length. I'm going to return an array. Else, I'm going to return saying that since this includes, I'm going to return duplicate. Yeah, so this is one of the solution for the given problem. So let's check if this is working. How do I check? I have to say console.log, yeah, add, and then I'll take the same input 2, 3, 4, 7, comma 7 is 1, and another console log to invoke that function add 2, 3, 4, 7. Yeah, to this I'm trying to add another array, another element called 8. So let's run. Okay, yeah, for the first instance we have got duplicate because 7 already exists. For the second case we have got an array which with a new element added. Yeah, so hope this code is clear. Yeah, we have used a built-in function. There are many ways to do this. I can even also write a for loop to do it, but I'm showing you one with using a built-in method. Okay, uh, that's all for now.